Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into one of Italy's finest automotive creations, the stunning Alfa Romeo Brera. A car that blends timeless design with true driving passion. Let's explore why this coupe has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. The Alfa Romeo Brera is a masterpiece of design. From its iconic shield grille to its muscular yet elegant body lines, it's a car that screams Italian artistry. Designed by Giugiaro, it's the perfect blend of aggression and beauty. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as stylish as the exterior. Premium materials, driver-focused controls, and those gorgeous leather seats make every journey feel special. And let's not forget the signature Alfa DNA, every detail feels personal and unique. Under the hood, the Brera doesn't just look the part, it delivers on performance too. With engine options ranging from the lively 2.2 JTS to the beastly 3.2 V6, there's no shortage of power. Paired with Alfa's Q4 all-wheel drive system, the Brera offers a thrilling yet composed driving experience. What makes the Alfa Romeo Brera truly special isn't just its looks or performance, it's the soul of the car. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience. From the sound of the engine to the way it hugs the road, every moment behind the wheel feels alive. So, there you have it, the Alfa Romeo Brera, a car that embodies the passion and artistry of Italian motoring. If you're as captivated by this beauty as I am, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into incredible machines. Until next time.